Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a really easy garlicky pasta. We're going to be using yellow wheat noodles, but if you don't have it, you can use any kind of noodles. We're going to put in 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To it, we're going to add 2 whole garlic knobs. Give it a mix. Let that cook for a bit. Then we're going to add in 2 chicken stock cubes. Next, we can add in half a stick of butter. Let that melt. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now we're going to add 2 cups of whole milk. Make sure to use whole milk and not skimmed because it won't taste the same. Next, we're going to add in 2 cups of water. Now, this is optional, but I like to use thick cream as well. But if you don't have it, it's okay, you can skip it. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the sauce to add the drained pasta. Now we're gonna let it cook and let the sauce get more thick. Once the sauce has turned thick, your pasta dish is ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.